here to find a car that could potentially beat this. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Daily Driven Exotics episode. Check out our pool. Just joking, that's a pond. We're here at Avenue of the Arts. We're checking out. Alrighty, take a. What are you doing over there?
Washing my teeth.
Oh, so we're doing the sponsored plug right in the bathroom of the hotel. We gotta give a huge shout out to today's sponsor. It is Elite Sonic Toothbrushes by Dazzle Pro. Optimal Clean UV Sanitizer kills 90% of germs and bacteria on the brush heads. The Elite Sonic Toothbrush, by the way, has 3 modes. It has Clean, Dazzle, and Pulse. You have a 2-minute smart auto timer, which promotes brushing for the ADA recommended time, notifying you when to change areas in your mouth. One full charge is gonna last up to 2 weeks. It includes 2 brush heads, and one of them is an interdental brush head, so you can kiss plaque goodbye. The USB charging case is perfect for storage, cleanliness, and travel. Originally, this was of a $250 value, but you guys, with the code that I have in the links in the description, you're gonna get a huge discount of 70% off. Go to the links in the description, you guys, and pick up your Elite Sonic Toothbrush by Dazzle Pro.
Guys, grab it right now. Big discount. Links in description. Keep your teeth clean. Let's go.
Smile bright.
Boom, look at this. We got a little garage update here at Avenue of the Arts. Now we're saying goodbye to these 2 girls for about a week. God, that thing is louder than Dame is. Final drive of the Squadron. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna fit Damon's ego in that trailer. Do me a favor, give Damon's Instagram a follow. He gets upset, he only has 140,000 followers, and I have 150 something. Okay, hold on guys. Before we can load the car, Mr. Fryer, the genius, left with the key to the Mercy. Let's go track him down. Oh, look. There he is now, Mr. Hollywood, taking the keys to his car while it's getting loaded.
No, I'm taking the coffee
Maybe you had a
to the
selfie
driver.
to take for your personal Instagram. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm just trying to keep up with all your on Instagram. This guy starts a personal Instagram and all of a sudden it's a competition. He's buying and likes and followers.
I'm not buying anything.
You're such a liar. I got more engagement than you and less followers.
People like you better.
True.
Also, I bought my followers.
Hey.
No stress. All right, guys, the Gyarados turn. Am I driving this thing on there?
Absolutely not. Give me that.
You rode off one Lamborghini one time, and now you're that guy. Yeah, see you later. All right, let's go to Detroit. There's a lot of buttons and stuff. You guys, look at his suite back here. It's like a party bus. Maybe I'll let Justin drive, actually. I don't want to make him look bad on the internet.
All right. We have no cars.
Nope.
So we're gonna take a brand new car. I went out and I just got, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
The Tesla Model 3 Performance Edition, designed by Vorsteiner. It's called the Volta Aero Kit. This has a carbon fiber front splitter. It's gonna provide more downforce, some upgraded, real sporty looking wheels. Vorsteiner kill it with the wheel game. We have carbon fiber side skirts. We have an actual carbon fiber wing for the Tesla Model 3. And probably, honestly, my favorite part of this car is the super aggressive, supercar-esque carbon fiber rear diffuser. You guys, this is the performance, good-looking Tesla Model 3 we all want and I truly love. Why don't we take Logan for his very first ride in this car?
In a Tesla.
Let's go.
Oh my God. It literally took your breath away.
Yeah,
Why can't it breathe?
What?
Super quiet, but that was like 0 to the speed limit.
Feeling is rather weird because you have no sound.
Right.
There's no
You
shifting
don't,
or anything.
yeah,
like
you
that.
don't
It
realize
just
how
pulls.
fast you're going.
Yeah.
are good too. Every time you break, you're charging the battery. It's a very cute electric car. It's, you know, it's got some features and some buttons. It'll dance, it'll back up. This is a supercharged V8 with like 500 horsepower. This is like a German masterpiece. There's no way that little Tesla electric car will beat. Nice car, battery boy, huh?
Okay, stop.
Stop.
You stop.
You stop first.
Okay.
You got nothing, bro. Like nothing.
Nothing?
You're a little toy car.
3, 2, 1.
Damn it!
Go! Yeah!
All right. So listen, we gave him that one. Never really want to hurt Dave's feelings. He's a sensitive guy. All right. By the way, this is Phil from Avenue of the Arts, a buddy of ours.
I spoke to you, bro.
Okay.
Stop.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
So Phil and I are back at Avenue of the Arts.
Still waiting on Dave.
What took you so long? Well, hey, another great stay here with you guys.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you. If you guys want to stay here, come now, stay tonight.
Can't smell exhaust, but you can smell brakes on this thing.
We're gonna do some more fun stuff with this. I think we're done racing sedans. We need to go find some supercars. Okay, we've come back to Protective Film Solutions. Why? Because we need some better competition. S55, supercharged, doing one of these actually is a pretty fast car. It's not fast enough to beat this machine. So we're on a mission to find something that will. We're here to find a car that could potentially beat this.
Okay, the cocky Tesla driver is talking all types of shit. We are now in a Purpamonte to take him down.
Oh, he's going down.
In his little electric car. Zoom, 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 zoom. Actually, it doesn't even make that noise. It's like,
No.
Victory!
I think you had him. I think you had him.
Oh, you son of a...
This thing destroys Teslas. Lamborghini for the win. Yeah, dude, that's sick. Jason might be a Lambo guy after that, right?
I'm impressed. I know these are fast, but usually you don't have like the force induction turbo fast, but this thing.
No, dude, all motor.
Grab it! Grab it!
VTEC! You know what Damon is, regardless of the car, he hates losing. So right now, he's probably gonna like sidestep us in a minute just to win. Or like put salt in the gas tank.
1, 2, 3.
He jumped it. Yeah, he jumped it.
It's a cheater.
See, he has to win. He has to
Typical
win.
Tesla owner.
He literally has to find a way. Just that's for personal Damon Fryer.
What is
And
it?
make sure to help Damon out with his ego, go follow at Damon Fryer on Instagram. Let's get him to 200K, you guys, with your help, please. Okay, you did pretty good, pretty good. We took you though.
That was an all-wheel drive Lamborghini.
Yeah, I've lost
Purpamonte,
excuses.
it wasn't a regular one.
Okay.
Now let's just try a turboed rear-wheel
Yeah,
drive.
McLaren 570S. It's got downpipes, it's got a tune, it's got a race car driver,
And doors go up.
and it's wrapped by Protective Film Solutions, which makes it a little bit faster. I think we're gonna beat him again. Now Damon will find another way to cheat or do like a 2-foot run just to win. Again, you guys, please go follow Damon on Instagram at Damon Fryer.
So noisy, so noisy.
That cocky Tesla owner. We had a TC issue there. But next time, we're gonna add some TC, get out of track mode. We'll get him. We'll get him. No, dude, we weren't ready.
Yeah, we
weren't ready.
checking the time.
Dude, the audio source was turned to the wrong setting.
Yeah.
It was on iPad, not radio.
What are you new?
Oh, there we go. 570S for the win. Kill them. Kill them. quietest drag race I've ever heard in my life. There's no noise. Like, no one pays attention. No one even sees it.
Yo, have you been in this yet? Brian, have you ever been in a Tesla? No. Get in here. You guys have never been in one of these. First time, man. Holy. What do you think?
Not bad.
Whoa! Ryan's gonna drive it.
He's old, he's grandpa.
Yeah. You know, he'll drive around with autopilot on.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Woo! How was your experience?
Hands down, respect for the Tesla.
Right?
Respect.
That 0 to 60 is no joke.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
What do you think?
It's pretty quick.
Well, you guys, that's it. Tesla Model 3 Performance Edition. Amazing job with the styling from Vorsteiner. If you guys want to see more of this car in the vlogs, let me know, because it's Ryan's car. We got to go to Beverly Hills. Apparently someone's car is on fire.
Look at this.
Told you I was done when you making fun of me for not having a car again.
Holy you actually pulled the trigger.
You guys made so much fun of me. I finally just did it. I want to be in the club. If I can please just have a sticker and a sweatshirt. Can you sign me up, Dave, please?
Yeah,
You're not letting me in.
Why'd you get a Porsche?
Bully your friends enough, you can get them to buy anything. Even supercars.
Make me look a little bit cool. That's it. You know?
That's hard to do, man.
I know. He did it with you, bro. I mean, look at you. You got a lot of followers.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. I'm still not cool. I'm still not cool.
All right, see you guys.
See you, dude. Everything. Really appreciate you guys. I like those guys. I like it too. Touchless car wash. Wait, that's not touchless.
No, it's touchless.
Dude, what is that? I haven't been with these in a decade. Look at this thing. Oh, that's how you scratch your paint 101.
It's all closed.
Yeah. Get the f dude, stop. I'll pull the switch. I'll break. Look at my finger. Let go of my finger. Oh. Stranger danger. No! Oh my god. I love this S-Class. It's pretty cool. This is before they scratch your paint. They get it all nice and lubed up for you.
Oh yeah.
Would you take like a supercar through here? Without any PPF on it? Really?
Well, how could that hurt? How could that hurt your paint?
There's nothing wrong with it.
It's gently slapping your paint.
Slap.
Whoa! Did you hit the curb?
No.
Oh okay guys, we'll see you in LA.
Well, Dave's dropping me off at LAX. Again, Dave, be good. They knew we were coming. Good hanging with you. Had a lot of fun. I apologize right now. I have to leave you with Dave. You're in good hands. I had a good time with you guys. Bring it in, buddy. It's okay.
Oh, is it recording?
It's gonna be all right. You can do this.
Alright guys, I thought it'd be good to check in on Raymond, see how he's doing. Obviously after the car accident he's been pretty sore, pretty quiet on social media, which is not like him. So have a pizza, some supplies, and this is his door here. Let's go, hurry up! So slow.
Bro, did you just tell me to hurry up? Come on, bro.
I brought the internet with me.
What internet? I have internet here.
How are you? How are you feeling?
Do I look good?
You look terrible.
Yeah, I kind of do feel
I
terrible.
brought you some pizza.
I feel a little bit better now.
Okay. Doctor says you got a messed up collarbone, shoulder.
Yeah, but it was a bruise, thank God, but it's swelling up on the collarbone, so I can't touch it or aggravate it in any way.
Could you right now touch both hands on the roof? I can do it. That's pretty easy. Try it. Hey, look, I got you something. I know when you're injured, the basic things are hard, so.
Is that a diaper?
It's diapers for men. You know, sometimes, Raymond, it's important to go to the place of, it's the intent and the thought that counts. You hungry?
I haven't left the house since I got back home since the accident.
Seriously?
Yeah, I can't really go much places when you look stupid.
Well, Raymond, pizza was good?
It actually was good.
It was good. I guess that's it for Raymond on the vlog.
What do you mean that's it?
Jamie, cut to a Raymond montage from the beginning. I will remember you. Will you remember me?
Dave!
Don't let your life pass you by.
Dave!
Weep not for what?
I'm not dying!
Alright, we'll see you next week. Alright guys, truth be told, I spent 2 hours with Raymond just to make sure he was actually okay because he was in a pretty serious car accident. He's so lucky he had a seatbelt on. So I went to see him. I want to show you guys he was okay. Obviously he's got the neck brace and the arm thing and he's got some stuff going on, but you know, he's lucky it wasn't worse. It makes you think about how at the end of the day, the cars are all fun, but friendships are really the most important thing. Raymond's a true friend of mine and Damon's. So yeah, we care about him and you guys will see him again soon.
I will remember you. Do, 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 do. You will remember me.
That's good. Okay guys, bye now for Raymond. I was legit just checking in when Andrew Yari called me. Dude,
Yo.
I'm sorry, I know you called me like 1,000 times today. What's going
I was
on?
trying to get your attention, man. I was driving the R8 and literally the oil pump basically exploded. Smoke coming out of the car. I thought the car was about to explode. Over to the side of the road, white smoke spewing all over. Smoke was getting worse and worse and worse. So I ended up calling the fire department. Fire department came out. You're not the only one that destroys R8s.
I'm so happy you're okay. What a bad luck week for cars.
Drive safe, be safe out there. You know, a lot of crazy things happen. So no matter how much fun you want to have, just be safe out there, man. Accidents happen.
And tell them to smash the subscribe button.
Smash the subscribe button.